Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your carrier plan allows personal hotspot and that you have mobile data left, because without service this won't work. Once done, open Settings, go to Cellular, then Personal Hotspot and toggle it on. Set a strong Wi-Fi password so others can't join. If the option is missing, restart your iPhone 11 and check for an iOS update. Carrier settings updates often restore the hotspot toggle. These steps get the feature running now, so you can share internet quickly. Next, decide how you'll connect other devices. Wi-Fi for convenience, Bluetooth for low power, or USB for fastest, most stable tethering. Make sure your iPhone name is recognizable by going to Settings right arrow General right arrow About right arrow name so the SSID is easy to find. Then watch the connected devices list inside Personal Hotspot to confirm a device joined. This also helps you spot unexpected users. Also keep an eye on data usage, because tethering can eat your monthly allowance faster. To finish, test the hotspot by opening a web page on the connected device. If pages load slowly, try switching from Wi-Fi to USB for a cleaner connection. If the client can't join, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reboot both devices and, if needed, reset network settings to clear faulty configurations. Be aware this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If problems persist after these steps, contact your carrier to confirm APN and plan support, because often the root cause is a carrier setting or account restriction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.